So here on AUDCAD, I took this trade this morning. You guys will remember, let's look at the higher time frame. Again, if you're new, this is how we do it. I'm on the daily chart. I'm looking for higher time frame structure relevance in the markets. We had a recent up move right here. Previously, we're in a downtrend, uptrend, right? So we've been chopping around in this area. If we look back, quite a bit of chop. We had more of a downtrend previously, but we've been chopping around in here in this area. Nothing too well defined at the moment. So we're back up in here. The most recent move is up. We tested this level. I've got my lines in. And guys, you've noticed I leave some of these lines on for quite a while because they're relevant on the daily chart. I got to wait for things to change before, the structure places I'm looking at are being modified. And then we're looking at those areas on the higher time frame. So here we've retested again. If we look at the trading time frame, which is my 60-minute chart, we have the 2618 I was looking at. Yesterday we were down here and somewhere near here. We just didn't get up there. So what I typically do is cancel my limit orders because I don't want to be involved trying to manage trades in the afternoon after I leave the office and I go home. 2 kids. I don't have time to really manage too much with this stuff. And then I've got overnight, we might get filled, and then I don't really know what happens after that. I have to set targets, move stops. I can't do that. So you do what you want. This is what I do. I cancel. If I don't get filled, the limit orders, I just canceled them yesterday. You can see that in Trade Floor. So today, though, we were back up into that area. I got an even better risk reward now because I got a higher entry than what I was going to have before, just by a little bit. I've got stops up here above the one even handle. I talked about this in the Trade Floor yesterday when I posted out that I was canceling the limit orders. Still same places for stops and targets. Targets at 99.12s, the lowest close of the retracement here. Moving on to the previous trades from yesterday. These are finally moving. Had to wait a little bit. Aussie yen has moved. We've looked at the higher time frame again. Bearish trend. We've come back down though into this level. We had some support here that rallied up. Come back down into it again. It was resistance here, this yellow area line. So I'm looking to I took this trade long as a counter trend trade. So we'll see what happens. We double bottomed. That was my rationale. Explained that yesterday. You can watch the War Room. We rallied off of there. We've broken above previous structure levels. So I'm hoping to see a move. We've just retraced back down into there. Guys, you look left, structure leaves clues. Where do we retrace back into? Right here. Previous resistance is now support, hopefully, and we just get a little bit of a pop right up into our targets right around the 382 retracement. If we look at the other trade, CAD yen, same thing pretty much. Downtrend, we've come back down into that level here on the daily chart. I got the double bottom confirmation. I took the trade yesterday. We're looking at about 72 pips here on this trade if we can get through. We definitely closed above here. We retraced back into there twice, so not as much push higher as Aussie yen had, but we're still holding that level. Hopefully, we didn't get any new closes above here, so we may just spike up, come back down. I don't know, but hopefully we'll get up to our targets right around this purple structure area and the 382 retracement.